Hello and welcome to the song tutorial for The Entertainer. Basically, the catchiest song ever written, ever, and also the song that the ice cream man played when I was a child in my neighborhood in the ice cream truck every single summer. And it never left my head. So we're gonna have lots of fun with this one. It's a classic. It's Scott Joplin. It's so much fun to play. So let's dive in. We're gonna begin by learning the fun little intro. Get your fourth finger of your right hand and place it on this high D. And we're gonna go from D to E, and then C and A, and then B, and then our thumb's gonna go down to the G. So we'll do that again. Let's count it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Once you got that, you're gonna move your hand here to this D, fourth finger, same position, and do the exact same thing. And then you're gonna move it again, fourth finger on this D. Here's a little change. We're gonna cross our two finger over to A flat, and then we're gonna play G here, and then G way up here. And when we have that done, we're ready to launch into this. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Learn that intro first. We do have free sheet music, I forgot to mention. You can access below this video, or you can just follow along with the lesson, whatever you like, whatever's better for you. But let's get into the main theme, because this is where it gets really fun. We're gonna play D, D sharp, and then E, C, E, C, E, C. And then you're gonna replace your thumb on the C, D, D sharp, E, C, D, E. Thumb drops down to B, D, C. And that's the theme. That sort of element is gonna repeat a lot. So it's good to just do the work at the beginning to really get it. Let's do it one more time. I feel like we should count because that's gonna be helpful. So we're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. That's how it feels when you count it. So let's put the left hand in now. We're gonna place our 5 finger on C. Then we've got E and G, C, E and B flat. And then we're gonna move our 5 to F, A and C, E, G and C. And then C, G, low G, high G, C. And then we've got this E and G again. And then C, and then G and B. It's gonna sound good hands together, I promise. Together, sounds like this. Guess what? This next little bit is almost exactly the same, except this moment. We've got a couple new things to deal with. So let's just celebrate. You've done really well up to this point, and then we'll figure out what to do next. So coming off of measure 9, the right hand is gonna go A, G, F sharp with the thumb, 2 on A, C, and E. So it's making this lovely shape. F sharp, A, C, E, D, C, A, D. So practice that a few times. And bonus points if you can tell me what this chord is called in the comments. Okay, so let's keep going. Do, do, F sharp, A, C, E, walking down, jumping to A, D. Then the left hand, C, E and G, C, E and B flat, F, A and C. Now we're gonna take our thumb, but you can choose your own adventure with your fingering, whatever you like. I like to use my thumb. E, E flat, and then D, F sharp and A, and that repeats. So this section's a bit challenging, so I actually had to circle it on my music, repeat it a bunch of times, and really, I'd start my practices here because this part always tripped me up. So just be aware, there's always those moments in songs where it's a little more difficult. There's no harm in spending extra time. So let's just do that left hand bit one more time. Measure 9. That change is where things are a little bit tricky. And then we'll put that part hands together. Here's measure 9, nice and slow. And great news, it repeats. practice work already. Left hand plays a C. Here's a bit of a new moment. C, D, D sharp, E, C, D, E, B, D, C. Left hand is going here. C, G, 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 and then C, G, C. And there you have it. Now we're in the home stretch, and this part's really fun to play. So we're gonna move up to E, C, D, E. There's a tie, so you hang on to the note, even though it's notated. There's a little curved line connecting them. Think of those notes as like they're holding hands. So you only play it once. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. That's it. It'll take some practice. Counting out loud will be helpful, but the notes stay really close together. When you're ready, the left hand plays a descending line from C to B flat to A flat, and then we just go G, 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 and then you can play and hold the C, or you can do that and then go back to the beginning and just keep playing the song over and over again, forever and ever. So let's get that little outro. We're gonna have C here, and our right hand's gonna play E. And if you're gonna do the repeat, and you can just keep going. That's it. That's the main part of the entertainer. Now this is our own arrangement. We've simplified it a little bit. There is another section to the song, which is a lot of fun to play. We have the entire song hosted in the Pianote members area. So if you want more, you can head on over there. We also have a really awesome practice feature there that lets you like pick sections to loop and you can play along and the notes play, and it's really, really a great tool. So those things are available at Pianote. For now, I hope you enjoyed learning the entertainer with me. Happy practicing, comment below, and we'll see you next time.